ngithanda izinto dangerous like ngithanda like anything with violence ngiyayifuna.
Yeah. Yes. So when that guy comes up to you then,
Amkwazi bamkwaza jungle se already sayivulekile say right awulibele uyenza yona. And then because the thing is mina ngicine ngiba self-conscious in a way that I knew ukuthi I don't look like a threat. So abantu ngesilokisho sithi uza ngobuso. Uza la to your face akudelela afuna ukukhuluma asixoxela mina ngikhipha into and he didn't see it coming. Mawumbamba fast sometimes juri bengithanda ukugqoka ama reef. I-reef ngayithanda lapho le bhutheni lento. Uthi i-reef bawumkhahlela la ushaya ngebhathula uyawa umuntu because insimbi angithi. Umuntu shaya ibhathu velawe makawa lapho so yamdazini. And at that time mina ngihappy anginankinga ngibone anything wrong. Because at that time my concept was people are evil. So doing evil into yabantu because namba ngenzi evil ngemncane and I did nothing wrong. And no one was there to help me out. Labazali laba bengihamba nabantwana babo mangabe siyotshontsha ama benches angithi sabantu asitshontsha ama benches senza mistake kuwisihlahla lapho maybe siphula the whole branch ubaba walapho makeza kuzoshawa mina for the whole group.